Okay, now we're at Arlen Ness, right next door to Daytona Harley. They sell American Iron Horse, Triumph, Ducatis. Look at these things. Talk about choppers. Look at the colors. Woo-wee. Now that's the one I was looking at 2 years ago, but I was looking at a black one. That's a Tejas. We're looking at that one. That's the American Iron Horse Tejas bike. Here's some more over here. Pretty nice. I'm gonna go inside. Look at the bikes in here. Here's a bunch. This is a nice one here. Woo. Check out those bikes. These are all American Iron Horse. Look at this one. That's a hot bike, man. That's a Tejas. There's already Ducatis over there. Triumphs are over here. I think he gave me a price on this one. $33,000. Aren't they nice? Whew. Arlen Ness. Now here's a couple of his own. This one here is $49,980. That one. That blue one. And that red one is $49,980 too. So those are $50,000. And here's another one, that purple one. Same thing, $49,980. Arlen Ness Specials. Woo. Great place. Great bikes. This is the bike store. This is where you get the good bikes. Look at this one here. Woo. That's an American Iron Horse. Look at the colors on that. Shiny. This is the front of the store. And there's his sign. Arlen Ness. These are the bikes. And I mean the bikes. And there's more shops over there. It's going to be a little city here. And there's the Harley dealership right over there. And I'm going to build behind here. There's a new one coming called JP Cycles. And I'm going to build a stadium for concerts. Woo! It's going to be a whole city before they're done. Destination Daytona Harley Davidson.